Hi everyone, it's Teresa and I'm back today with another resin video. I thought we'd give it another try making the refrigerator magnets, and hopefully this will work like the other version I did worked. What I want to do is put some UV resin in here and then put the magnets on top of the UV resin and then fill it with regular resin. I had somebody comment on my video that you could see the magnets, which you could because I use translucent dye. So I thought we'd give this a try and still make the magnets, but maybe you won't be able to see them. So let me get some stuff mixed up and then we'll start and see how it goes. Okay, so I have this real pretty pink here that I want to use. And we're just going to make a real thin layer. Give that a few minutes to set. My whole theory about using the UV resin is because then I can put the magnets, cure the resin and then put the magnets on top of it. And you won't be able to see them. Okay. I just want to move that resin around a little bit. All right, so let's go ahead and set this. Okay. So it looks pretty solid. Let's get some of these magnets in here. See that? Jumped right over there. Let's try doing it this way. All right. So give me a couple minutes to mix up some resin. And then what I want to do is I want to do some pink and black. So I'll mix that and we'll pour it in here. Okay, so I popped the bubbles, at least most of what I could see. Give it a little tap. And I had a little leftover resin, so I thought I'd make a keychain. All right, I'll let this sit for probably about 10 more minutes, pop some more bubbles, cover it, and then we will check it out in the morning. Okay, we're back. It's the next day. And before I open this up, I want to talk about a couple of things that I did. What I decided to do while I was pouring this was I did the one version where I did the UV resin, then the magnets. And then I did another version where I put the magnets in and used regular resin that was more opaque. So let's see how those turned out. Well, I don't see really any bubbles. So let's see. This is still a little sticky, so I don't think it cured all the way. On the bottom with the UV resin, you can see the magnet there a little bit, but it's not too bad. So let me check some of these others and then I'll put these back under the UV light. Same thing with this one. It is a little sticky. Looks like I have some burrs. Nothing too terrible. Ew, look at that. It's stuck to the bottom of the mold. Good thing that's the bottom. That is definitely some uncured resin. And okay. So this is one of them where I put the resin in the bottom. Or excuse me, I put the magnets in the bottom and then the resin. So you can see them. It doesn't look too bad there. Same thing. I've got a few bubbles. This one has kind of a weird pattern to it. I don't know what that is. One there and one there. I didn't put any glitter in it. It's just resin and mica powder. Interesting. Yeah, I had lots of little bubbles down at the bottom. You can see one there. Now this one here doesn't have any magnets in it because I was going to turn it into a keychain, but it's got bubbles in it. So I'll figure something else out. This one's not filled all the way, so I'll finish filling that. But overall, I think These turned out pretty decent.